After 50, something starts to shift. We lose muscle faster. We feel weaker in our movements. Even basic things like standing from a chair or walking upstairs start to feel harder. Most people blame aging, but that's not the full truth. It's not just time that takes our strength. It's what we stop doing that does the real damage. And there's one movement that begins to reverse all of it. No gym, no weights, no crazy routines. It's called the plank, and if you've been skipping it or doing it wrong, you're missing one of the simplest tools for strength, stability, and aging well. Let me show you exactly why the plank might be the most underrated anti-aging move after 50. The plank isn't just a core move, it's a foundation builder. It strengthens your abdominal muscles, yes, but it also trains your shoulders, back, hips, legs, and even your glutes. Every second you hold a plank, your body is learning to support itself again. Think about that. You're not just holding still. You're training stability. You're protecting your spine. You're reversing decades of lost tension gently, safely, and with total control. Now here's what most people don't realize. After 50, the loss of balance and coordination isn't just from joints or vision. It comes from a weak core. And the plank directly addresses that. It strengthens the deep muscles in your torso, called the transverse abdominis. These are like the corset of your body. They hold everything together. The more you activate them, the more stable you become, and the less likely you are to fall, strain your back, or suffer from posture pain. Even your breathing improves. Why? Because when you plank, you have to engage your diaphragm and intercostals, the muscles between your ribs. That supports deeper, more efficient breath. Comment below if this is the kind of movement your body needs more of. Simple, controlled, effective. Now let's get practical. Here's how to do a standard forearm plank properly. Find a mat or carpeted surface. Lie on your stomach. Place your elbows directly under your shoulders, palms flat on the ground. Now tuck your toes and gently lift your body into a straight line. Your elbows hold your weight. Your toes press into the ground. Your core pulls in like you're trying to zip up a tight jacket. Squeeze your glutes, keep your back flat, and most importantly, breathe. Look slightly down. Don't strain your neck by looking forward. Start with just 15 seconds. That's it. You'll feel your whole body come alive. Rest, then go again if you're ready. Over time, you can work your way up to 30 seconds, then 45, even a minute if your body feels good. But don't chase time, chase consistency. Doing 20 seconds daily is better than doing a minute once a week. Now, what does the plank actually improve in real life? It helps you get out of bed more easily, walk with more confidence, pick up objects safely, stand taller, and even support your metabolism by activating full body muscle. That's because planking engages some of your body's largest muscle groups, and activating large muscles like glutes and shoulders supports natural hormone production. For men, that means testosterone support. For women, that means improved posture, circulation, and full body tone. This one move, done slowly, done consistently, can rebuild your body from the inside out. And if you want to go even further in your journey, I've listed the exact anti-aging tools, daily supplements, and resources I personally use in my channel bio. They've made a massive difference in how I feel, and I only recommend what I trust. Watch next 4 moves that rebuild muscles after 50. It's the perfect next step to add strength, balance, and control to your new routine. This is FitFixen. We don't just age, we rebuild.